Hi, this is Vanita with Soul in Love with Travel. I wanted to make a video about what I packed for my Spirit Airlines personal item for my beach vacation to Negril. When I was looking for videos on YouTube, I saw a lot of packing videos, but I didn't see any packing videos with people who look like me. So if you didn't know, I'm like a size 16, 18, 20. And I know it looks a little bit different for people when they're a bit thicker. So I wanted to make a video about that. So this is the bag that I purchased specifically for this Spirit Airlines trip. This is a Swissgear bag. It's one of their hybrid bags, and some nice features is that it has a little pocket over here for carrying water bottles or your thermoses when you're on a trip. A nice little pocket here for like any items that you need to quickly get to, like your passports and all that other good stuff. Next, there is a side pocket here for just little items like gum, because gum is always important on a trip. You gotta have fresh breath. And then there's another side pocket here. And in here I put like a bunch of my medications and like anti-itch cream, because usually I get bitten by some sort of mosquitoes. Just some Pepto-Bismol like medication for any digestive issues I might have on a trip. This is just a bottle that I use for ibuprofen. It's an old bottle. And then emergency and some Dramamine for like motion sickness if I decide to do any boat things. So I like this bag right now because it looks like a suitcase, and I was able to pack accordingly. It also has these nice pockets here for your toiletries, and that came in really handy. So I'm just gonna show you what I brought. Oh, the other feature of this backpack is this is the area where you can put your laptop or your iPad. I chose to bring my iPad on this trip because it was smaller and I just wasn't super confident that everything was gonna fit. So I was being very precautious. So these are some of the items that I brought on the trip. So my toiletries, you know, as a black woman with like 4B, 4C type hair, bringing hair care products is a must for me. So I have my oil, my leave-in conditioner, my gel, just some lotion for the skin, and some face wash that can also double as some body wash, and mouthwash, toothpaste of course. And none of my beach vacations would be complete without having this Monistat powder gel. It really helps with the chafing. I've had a couple of incidents where, I went on the beach, got in the water, decided that I wanted to go walking, and had like a lot of discomfort as a result of the friction and moisture combination. So I always take this to the beach with me just to make sure that doesn't happen. And of course, the usual toiletries with deodorant and toothbrush. This is just a shampoo bar from Lush. And then also like this is the sunscreen that I use for my tattoos, and some soap, nothing crazy. And the other items that I bought is my iPhone, of course, this is my eyeshadow palette that I like, and then with my makeup bag, I wasn't able to fit it in the backpack, so I just put it in one of my coat pockets so I would be able to have it for the trip. Some headphones, and I use these e-bags to pack my clothes and get them in the backpack. So I just have one skirt. It's a knee-length skirt, one pair of jean shorts. This is just some biker shorts, just in case I wanted to exercise or take a yoga class. Workout bra. These are some relaxation shorts to lounge around in, around the room. I repeat, just one cover-up. Usually I'm very guilty of bringing multiple cover-ups depending on my mood, but I was able to pare it down to just one. I brought one full-size shirt, just in case it's cold, and then I have 3 tank tops, just a regular black tank top that I can wear on a daily basis, a workout tank top, and this is more of a dressier tank top. Both the black and the peach are bra top tank tops, because a lot of times I do not like wearing a bra when I'm on vacation, so if I can forego using an underwire bra, I will do it, and I love doing that a lot. This is my sweater that I use at night, and this is just a nightgown. Also, I packed my Nikon camera in the little bag there along with the lens, and in that bag is just some another shirt and some undies for the trip. And then last but not least, my 2 bathing suits. So my friends will tell you that usually I'll carry a bathing suit for every day that I am on vacation. So to get it down to 2 is quite a miracle. So that is what I packed. This should get me through 3 nights, 4 days. And again, I'm super proud of what I accomplished. And if you have any questions or anything like that, oh, please feel free to give me a shout out. You can reach me on my Facebook page. You can always go to my website to find blog posts on various items in regards to self-care, travel as self-care, and things to do in Baltimore and the grill. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. There were a couple items that I forgot to show you that I packed, one of which are a dressy pair of sandals. This is the beach bag that I usually take with me on my vacations. It's a bag that I got from doing the 10K for the running festival here in the grill that happens in usually the first weekend of December. And I love this bag. It goes to all my beach vacations, and I can't live without it. I will use it until it breaks down. And I was very stuck on bringing these with me. These are a very old pair of Ofos. These used to be my recovery sandals when I finished doing a race, but I found that they were super comfortable for vacations, and I could literally do anything. I could walk on the beach, I could walk for long distances outside, and my feet were always in good shape. So I could not imagine not bringing those shoes, and that was a serious point of contention. We're trying to get it in the book bag, but I managed to do it. So that's all I wanted to say. But I'm so happy that I decided to challenge myself and step out of my comfort zone by taking this challenge of packing everything in one backpack and creating an affordable vacation for myself. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.